some on the table. It smells like ice cream. Hi, welcome back to Kids. Today we're going to make brownies. We got the brownie box. It's very these.
We have a bowl.
And I'm mixing.
We have a dish here that I already sprayed it with cooking spray.
And I got some eggs and water and this.
We have oil. We have eggs. And we have some water here. So Tatum, she want to get some brownies today.
And what do we start first? Some on the table. It smells like ice cream. We have to make sure that it's empty.
Make sure it's empty. Yes.
There. I don't like it.
Put in the eggs. Now put in the water. Yeah, that's water. Put in water. That's the eggs, Tatum. When you put it, this is the water.
Whole thing?
Mm-hmm. Now you can mix it.
Look at my brownie, guys.
Now you mix it all up, okay? Nice. Everything mixed together.
And I can't see these. These because you have to mix it up so it should be nice and look like a brownie. Yeah.
Now let's take this out. Let's see if you can pour it in the transfer to the pan over here. Go ahead.
I taste it.
You taste it. Careful now. Tired? Heavy?
We done put it in the bowl. Now I'm gonna make this one.
Is it good?
Lick it.
Mmm, is it good? So you like making brownies, Tatum?
Yeah, now it's we got brownie.
Yeah, what do we do now with that?
I put it in my nose.
You put it in your nose.
We're gonna cook it in the oven.
In the oven? And Mom,
Right every day.
over there. And Mommy's gonna put it in the oven, right? For 25 minutes or so?
Yeah, I also burn myself.
Yeah, you're not gonna do it. Because you don't want to burn yourself.
Because I'm a little kid.
You're a little kid, yeah. So how's the brownie? Is it good?
Yeah, I just want to eat it already.
So the brownie's in the oven. Let's watch Tatum lick the spoon off.
Already done. Okay, it's done.
Okay, the brownie's done.
Take them out.
And here's the brownies. And we cut a piece for Tatum and she's gonna try. She's gonna try her brownie and see how it tastes like.
Wait, how if it's here, super small?
Yeah, I just cut it up. Tatum, go take a bite. See what you think about your brownie.
It's hot.
Is it hot?
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Is it good? Good job baking!
I tried these before.
Yeah, good job baking. Another bite?
Try it. Try.
Okay, good job, Tatum. Thank you for watching Tatum baking today. Please like and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
And click the bell button.
And click the bell for more videos. Tatum baking, cooking next time. Bye.